could tell me some man with that part. But it's because he's a grateful person. I will always big up Sikaram. Me lose a best friend, me lose a child, me lose someone who make me smile all the time. All when them a break me and take me to the side, Rachel, you stand by me all the while. Sikaram, anyway, you sit down, stand up. Just to that song alone, I don't busy the rest of the song them. Not that I don't busy, but I appreciate that song. It's stuck in my head, me now have to play it. And I you do that. But back to the normality. But man, hey, wait till when I get my Grammy money, I got so no dirty nasty. Hear that? My backs, my backs the truth. Every time I remember, and I'm an institution tell me I'm a door wrong. Because them putting out the notes say, them not for resuscitate, what the word name? Resuscitate, or is that the word? Me not eat that, you know. Me not eat that. Them say she not forget that something. Yeah. They not for use it something. I say after she start gap, and she come, them come, the ambulance come, them do it. Me have all it on camera cause me now make them to all them a tell me so me can't stay in and I'm still a pushing the door and a peep see me in a car. My opinion and nobody can't tell me nothing. So me catch at the door and them push me. Cause you know the doctor them I have to respect that cause them have the little something them pan them head, you know. And the little gloves them and something, you know. I'm a push the camera through the little creases and I zoom it in. And some of that I lie down so them have the something and go up on her. All that the customer shouldn't do that. So without not thinking I try help her and I go by the guidelines, so you can't tell me nothing. I'm not taking a tablet. I'm not taking no blood pressure tablet. I'm not taking no test. You hear that? And I'm not kill me. I'm not stay with my own. I can't tag herself for the kill off my pity. I don't think my name is. I told me I can't stop. I'm not in control of something. I have to just humble myself and ball. Oh, shut. But that was just my little breakdown segment for Roro. Feel it, man. Ask. Where's something name? At them, have some coming back. My head hurt me. I'm gonna take care. Maybe I come back. Maybe I don't. I don't know. I mean, our injustice to the max. It is. Enough little something. But as you see, time longer than rope, you know. I mean, no mega reach higher in a society, I'm gonna have the capability to investigate my data case. You hear that? I'm gonna take care. Me not satisfied, me not idiot. Them melt down the pit before time. And to work at the hospital and they say she pure, she not drink, she not smoke, then she work them. They never take one old grade, don't know right now, do that to me. Nobody can tell me no, but you should have did it, you should have did it, because you're too old. Allow me. My dark, like quarter at midnight, or some dark. So sometimes I hear all that talking, I say them would even not like knowing in my heart, you know, how I feel sometimes, you know. And I just have to jump and prolong and just bunks it out. You hear that? Maybe I come back, maybe I don't. Them have no right to put our name DNR. What that? They had no right. Oh, may I tell you, don't mind them. Them don't mind. Them must sometimes wipe my mouth. So, after me not care about dirty white up mouth. It's natural. When you talk, it happen. No man, it's hot. Yeah man. I will call the ambulance. You see this part now, you know. When Mr. Rachel get me on the ambulance, come on and put her in the ambulance. And when she said she'll drive go to the hospital and San John. Said, Nas, you going in the ambulance. And I said, no, mommy, I'm afraid. I'm afraid, mommy. I'm so, oh, God, it's all right, baby girl. Me go. Yeah, man. It's a good experience, but very, very, very deep and sad. I'm have to just accept it and get my little tears and just get back, brush off my grass and get there to it. Yeah, man. I stand up and hold her, she lie down on the bed with her eye open. I say, Rush, I love you. You know how long she take for your last bed come out her? Terrible experience. I'm a hold her little part, yes, sir. And Sandra, oh God, Sandra, big up my sister. And my niece. Them ball, I could even ball. I just stand up there talk. Come in, I love chatting. So I just accept it and come see it coming. Them get a nurse something for gear. For it makes you going. You know that. A space. Me have all the maybe I threw my phone mashup. Me have all the video when them a resuscitate her. All that them say she not forget what they call it. Them put in our notes, but I ain't for going and nobody not tell me not about the machine, you know. No go. Me be dark, man. Don't leave me the RIP and condolence to all of the fallen soldiers. My royal crazies, I know there's a lot of people want to get to me to express themselves about their passed away loved ones. But you don't know one queen is, so I'm going to sing a song we're all in a one, so it's join up for everybody with somebody dead from. God gave life. Wanna help me sing it all who know it? This is a moment of silence. But even though may I sing, we I do we what the word condolence to the fallen soldiers. Come on, royal crazies. God gave life to somebody take it. He take it away. You see that? The same man that give it life, take it life. He is the pattern. And I am the claim. I love when you see so now type it there. When I view the last sunset. What if people dead? And cross over the sea. I know the sunrise will be waiting for me. Oh, no, I feel it. Oh, what